Get volunteers. If you are looking for something more productive and teamwork, so you need to have your volunteers, teamwork, and hire more professional people within the things with there. But it's online. You can have something, people who can advertise, people who can manage the things on back of the your online conference, because there is something like internet, maybe something host will be there, and we have to keep understand. So we need a small team, or it's depend how much long big conference we are going to there. If you see the online virtual conference of Robin Sharma, or somewhere something Tobin Robin, and number of other, and number of people in Pakistan also, they're doing number of platform submit. It depend, number of people are connecting. Rehana Lawala is also have number of conferences as through a number of understanding and learning platforms, and Pakistan is leading in the number of people are getting interviews every day. They're scheduled with a number of conferences, so it's advantage the people can communication across and keep connecting. So we need to just announce what the people are coming into their help for the cost and better for making successful conferences. So let's move to the executions and what we can do it.